Hello, I'm Tom, and welcome to Symbol Surfing the Dow Jones Industrials. As you know, the Dow Jones hit an all-time high today, so I thought it'd be a good idea just to look at the 30 symbols that make up that index. So here's the mini heat map. All right, and I'm going to open up the spotlight. So here's last week, all-time highs, Microsoft, and the earnings announcements from last week. So we'll look at how the price changed since they reported. And this week, so there's already been a few all-time highs. Caterpillar hit a 52-week high. Disney has earnings this week, and these are the X dates. And looking ahead to next week, Walmart and Cisco have earnings next week. And these are the X dates, Chevron and Walgreens. All right. There's the 1-year chart of the Dow Jones Index. And I'm going to click on the summary because I just want to take a look to see the year-to-date biggest winners and losers. So I'm going to click on the year-to-date change here. Okay, so Apple is up 62% year-to-date, Microsoft 42%, United Technologies 36%. Let me switch. Okay, so Pfizer is the biggest loser out of the group, down 13% year-to-date, and Walgreens is down 10%. 3M down 8%. Alright, so let's check out the details. So I'm not going to do anything with the screener, and the sorting is by market cap, high to low by default, but you can change it if you want. So if Apple, all-time high, wow. And then Microsoft is at all-time high on Monday. Okay, is Visa. JP Morgan hit an all-time high today. And then Johnson & Johnson, they're down 9% on this 1-year return. All right. 5-year return is up 20% though, so. Okay, Walmart. Walmart's in that all-time high range too. It was at 120 and it's at 118 right now, so be interesting going into the end of the year. Procter & Gamble, this one's near an all-time high also. Okay, Exxon 1-year turns negative 11 and 5 years negative 24. All right, Home Depot, wow. That might be one of the best charts here. That's just nice uptrends. Home Depot. Okay, Verizon. So Intel. Looks like it's on an uptrend here in the past couple of earnings with some volatility for sure. Okay, we got Disney. And what do we got next? United Health. So 5-year on this is 160% return, which is great. But the last 12 months have been negative 5%. So this most recent earnings, though, it looks like it came off the 52-week low. Actually had a huge jump on the earnings, and it's gone up since earnings. So That's pretty interesting. All right, we got Coke and Chevron. Okay, Merck. So these last two earnings dates for Merck, stock hasn't really moved that much, but it's coming off a big run here, so maybe it's just stabilizing. All right. And Pfizer. Okay, Pfizer looks like it got hit pretty hard after the earnings in August, maybe, but then it's looks like it's created some sort of base here, and then it rallied into the most recent earnings. That's interesting. So the 5-year return is 25%. 1 year is negative 13. Okay, we got Cisco. Had a big drop pre-earnings and then dropped more, and then it's basically going sideways right now. What's the next earning? Okay, the next earnings is in 8 days, so that one's one to watch. Okay, Boeing. Boeing is, I mean, just what an amazing run there. It was going flat and then it's just gone on a big run, and then some volatility here last year and a half or so, obviously. All right. Okay, so up next, McDonald's. Okay, so it's been on a run. I mean, it's a pretty amazing company. The the recent earnings over here, something happened because it's starting to really turn over here. Um, Maybe it's just some selling, or maybe something else is going on. But this earnings here, it continued the run. Something happened here, and the earnings kind of confirmed it. So just watch. I'm gonna watch that one. Not sure if I would get in right now. Okay, so Nike, number 21 out of 30. All right. We got United Technology, all-time high today. IBM and okay, 3M. So this one fell quite a bit here. Okay, so wow, so it had a nice run and hit a peak, and then just came back down to where it was like 4 or 5 years ago, it seems like. But now, more recently, it's kind of maybe, I don't know, these two earnings, the stock dropped after that one and then kind of rallied into this earnings and has gone up since reporting. That might be interesting. Okay, American Express. All right. We got, oh gosh, look at Caterpillar. A lot of volatility, a lot of ups and downs here, right? Wow. All right. So Goldman Sachs. And here's the Walgreens. Okay, wow. So this one's downtrending. Maybe developing a base here. We'll have to see. Almost there. So here's Dow Company. And the last one's Travelers. Oh boy, okay, so this one was on a nice run. Started to turn over earnings and then another earnings, so that one, not sure. All right. Well, I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching Symbol Surfing the Dow Jones Industrials.